Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can unfriend people fast in Roblox. So if we go to our friends list right here, as you can see, we don't have the option to unfriend them. We have to do it one by one. So you have to click on them and unfriend, but I'm going to show you how you can do this much easier. So for this, we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. So just Google Chrome Web Store and click on the first link right here. We need to download an extension. The extension we need is called Roblox friend removal. So you should get this extension, Roblox friend removal button. So click on this first one. This is what the icon looks like. It is safe, so don't worry about it. And simply click on add to Chrome. Add extension. And now this should be added to your Chrome browser. So if we go back to the main page of Roblox and just refresh this, again, main page, click on this drop down menu, click on friends, and now as you can see, we have this little button right here in the top right corner next to the people next to your friends. So all you have to do is simply press on this button right here, and as you can see, the person has been removed from our friends list. So you can do this for as many friends as you have. Now I have no friends. Thank you. Okay, so leave a like and subscribe if it helped you out. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.